The seats in the Grand California are very versatile, from being the perfect chairs for long road journeys to creating an extremely comfortable lounge when turned towards the rear living area. When rotating the front seats, ensure that no one is seated on them when being spun around, as this could damage the seats. To rotate the driver's seat, engage the parking lock or a gear to ensure the vehicle cannot roll. Open the driver's door, move the armrest and ensure the backrest is in the upright position. Then remove yourself from the driver's seat and move it to the midpoint of the fore and aft adjustment. Once set, pull the small lever on the front of the seat base located just here, and at the same time turn the seat towards the middle of the vehicle, ensuring it fully locks into position. For the front passenger's seat, the actions are the same. Make sure the door is open so the seat doesn't get obstructed by it. Move the passenger seat to its midpoint, pull the small lever and at the same time turn the seat towards the middle of the vehicle, this time spinning it in a clockwise direction before ensuring it fully locks into place. And that's it, you're all done. To return the front seats into the driving position, simply pull the lever on the front of the seat base and spin it back. Please note, it is very important that when the vehicle is in motion, both of the rotating front seats must be securely engaged and facing the direction of travel.